In this tutorial, I'll show you how to move a page to another workspace in Notion. By the end, you'll know how to transfer a page between workspaces while keeping your content organized. Open Notion and go to the page you want to move. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the page, then select Move To. A menu will appear showing your available pages and workspaces. If you're a member of multiple workspaces, scroll through the list and select the destination workspace where you want the page to be copied. Notion will let you know that moving a page to another workspace creates a duplicate in the destination workspace rather than transferring the original. Click Duplicate or I understand, Duplicate to continue. Wait a few moments while Notion copies the page. Once it's finished, switch to the destination workspace and open the page to make sure everything, including any subpages and content, was copied successfully. If everything looks correct, you can return to the original workspace and delete the original page if you no longer need it there. That's how to move a page to another workspace in Notion. Thanks for watching.